All right, hit it.
Louisville Vegan Jerky Company was started way back in 2012. You were just a kid back then. I wanted to talk about this product because it is a delicious vegan jerky, and it's got a kind of an interesting story. There are Soy Curls, which are sort of soy protein products. I actually got some in my cabinet. And you rehydrate them, and then you cook them, and they replace chicken or beef or whatever other protein source you want in your dish. And this vegan jerky company left their soy protein in the oven too long, and so it came out a totally different texture. And so what this shows is, this is now a gluten-free vegan jerky product. Now, a little weird looking, obviously, but it's got a chew to it. It's got a smoky flavor to it. This is the maple bacon jerky. I think they have 4 or 5 different flavors. There are a lot of companies out right now putting out these vegan jerkies. There's a company called Primal, and then one of the most sort of popular, the one that's been on diners, drive-ins, and dives, one in Minneapolis, Minnesota, is called the Herbivorous Butcher, and they make just a complete line of incredible vegan meats and cheeses, and they ship around the world too. It's definitely worth checking out. Give Louisville Vegan Jerky a try. Stop at Herbivorous Butcher in Minneapolis. There's Yam Chops in Toronto. There are so many amazing vegan meats out there. Give it a try, and comment, like, and subscribe.